You stop at my favorite shop, CyberDog. It's good shop. Those American accents?
Yes.
Is this your first time here?
This is my second time here.
Did you get to see CyberDog? Oh, you didn't see inside CyberDog. It's a shop right here, and it's like walking into the future. Do you know CyberDog in Camden?
No, I haven't heard of it.
You know the Camden market?
Yeah.
Okay, in the market, outside there's one store that has two big silver statues.
Yes,
Have you been inside?
Yeah.
Did you ever meet the guy that designed that?
No.
Pleased to meet you.
Oh, thank you.
Likewise.
Oh my gosh, that's
So,
wonderful.
welcome to Camden.
So when you said you designed CyberDog, do you mean like the actual, like the architecture?
The robots, spaceships. Did you ever meet the guy that designed CyberDog?
No.
I think you just did.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ah!
So enjoy.
Okay, now we have to take a selfie with you.
Oh. In Boston, parents would send the kids to go to these camp for kids. One of the camp counselors, he was about to smack a couple of the boys with a belt he had. So I ran and hid, and I fell asleep. Somehow I woke up and I was in a big circular room, and in the center you could see the planet Earth just sort of spinning. And looking down, I saw what you would call typical grays with hoods. Their faces were like the gray aliens. Me and a bunch of other young kids, each of us were given instructions on what we'd be doing with our life. And mine turned out to be what I do with my art here.
Welcome back. Now, our next guest is an artist who lives by the motto, junk is a terrible thing to waste, mainly because he's applied his talents to rescuing trash TVs and zapped videos and turning them into these amazing, as he calls them, futuristic artifacts. Please welcome artist Vincent.
When one looks at a circuit board from a distance, it appears to be little cities. These would be streets, buildings.
So that inspired you to sort of do some creative work?
Yeah, so adding bits and pieces here and there, it added up to what you see here.
Welcome to the future.
Which way to enter the future?
Turn to the left.
Uh-huh.
Then you got it. You scared me.
I scared you.
I use a lot of what are called found objects. Rocks, weird shaping pieces such as, say this. This is a piece of wood that I found. But if you hold the wood up, and it could look like a mountain. So I can incorporate that on a painting or as part of a sculpture, maybe the hand of a robot. Say a laser gun, a radar screen. That's a rocket getting ready to take off. Lands on the pad, so it's UFO playing record. Maybe it's just my bias or what I think a real artist is Leonardo da Vinci or Picasso. So I'm not near anywhere close to that. I just take things that tell me they want to be together, and they become what they become. Voila. My relationship with CyberDog, they were just starting out, so they asked me if I would design the shop to look like my Area 46. But today, as far as I know, or seen, there's never any mention of me having done anything for the designing of the original CyberDog shops.
Is there a system to the organization in this
No
room?
system at all. Well, wherever I put it last, that's where it is.
What's the most sentimental thing you have in the room?
I have no sentimental things.
Really?
No.
How old are you in that?
Gosh almighty. I don't know. How old do you think a person would be at that age? 3 or so?
3?
Yeah. That's an old black and white film, but when I was that age, it had bright red hair. As a child, living in Boston, Massachusetts at the time, I would look up in the sky and see things, lights, and they would follow me left or right. And I'd tell my mom and dad, okay, we'll send you to a psychiatrist, you're just imagining things. And my stepdad at the time, he had unfortunately a habit of taking a belt and beating my sister and I, Margie. And on one occasion, he was beating my sis, and I grabbed his arm and told him that no father should do that to a child. And he picked me up, threw me across the room, hit the room, slided down like a cartoon character. And in Boston, they have fire escapes on the side of the building, and people use them to go to the top of a roof. So I ran away from my stepdad at the time, thinking that I could escape him hitting me. And just as he was about to strike me, like a beam of light came from the center over us, and I looked up at him and I said, my friends don't want you to ever hit me or my sister again. He looked up, he panicked, he dropped the belt, and he ran away. Now, he didn't take me for protection, he just left me there. But I was okay with that, because I felt comfortable with him. There was this sense of knowing that I was safe. And so that was a very close encounter of the real kind. Most interesting, life-changing, he never, ever hit me or Margie again. Never happened. So what is the purpose of this new contraption? It's a meditation device. It sends signals to UFOs to come and visit. a UFO. Ask if you know CyberDog. The company CyberDog.